Hello, in this simple video we are going to learn how to format your numbers as currency of different types. So let's close this, select the value here in your pivot table, right click and click on display formats. In number you could select the right one. Now this one is dependent upon your regional setting, so even if it shows dollar, since this PC is configured on India, it shows Indian currency. Okay, now if you want to force it, you can go back, again right click on display format, select the one earlier, and before percentage type dollar space, click on OK, save, and if you preview this, it shows proper dollars. If you want to show only $1, one decimal system over here, go back, right click, display format. Now this is 2n up to 2 precision, click on 1, make it 1, save it, preview it, and we will have 1 decimal digit. So hope this is useful to get a pixel perfect report. Thank you.